Do your students or candidates fear test days even when they've prepared? They're not alone. In our research, 64% of participants said just taking an online test makes them nervous. But here's the good news. Thoughtful course design can ease that stress and help test takers perform their best. In this quick tip, I'll share 3 simple strategies you can use to reduce exam anxiety before test day even arrives. Here's what we'll cover. First, how HonorPrep can walk students through the entire proctored exam experience. Next, we'll touch on how to leverage unlimited practice exams successfully. And finally, how low-stakes proctored quizzes can help build confidence. Together, these strategies set expectations, reduce anxiety, and help test takers succeed. Let's start with HonorPrep. It's our free, research-backed tutorial designed to get test takers ready for exam day. Test takers can run a system check. They can see exactly how HonorLock works, and even practice the full authentication process. And most importantly, it's always available and doesn't require any additional setup. And it works. 94% of test takers said they felt more prepared after using HonorPrep. Next up are practice exams. These give test takers a no-pressure opportunity to get familiar with the experience. No AI, no proctor, no recording, just a chance to test their setup and get comfortable. That way they can walk into the real exam confidently with way less stress. And here's a pro tip. Match your practice settings to the real exam. The closer the practice is to the real thing, the fewer surprises and the less anxiety on test day. Finally, let's talk about building confidence with low-stakes proctored quizzes. One program utilizes a low-stakes syllabus quiz in every course. It gave test takers a gentle introduction to HonorLock, while also helping verify identity and track attendance. This was important for accreditation and funding requirements. And the result? Their test takers reported feeling more confident and prepared for their first real exam, and they streamlined attendance and identity verification. So why does all of this matter? When test takers know what to expect, anxiety goes down and success goes up. HonorPrep, unlimited practice exams, and low-stakes quizzes provide simple but powerful tools to create a more confident testing experience from the very start. Thanks for joining this quick tip video. Try these 3 strategies to ease anxiety, boost readiness, and build confidence on exam day, ultimately setting the stage for success.